Top 5 All-in-One Beard Trimmer for Men. Beard trimmer is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best beard trimmer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Top 5 All-in-One Beard Trimmer for Men. Number 1. Wahl Battery Beard Trimmer Model 9906 717 Wahl Groomsman Cordless Battery-operated beard and mustache trimmer with ergonomic contour design and soft touch elements for a comfortable grip. High-carbon steel blades are precision ground to stay sharp longer, and beard regulator along with bare blade to provide 7 trimming lengths. Our high-carbon precision ground blades stay sharp longer. Use in conjunction with our 6-position beard regulator for multiple beard trimming lengths. Our beard guards vary in length from stubble to short and clean, to thick and even. Achieve a range of beard styles with 10 different beard trimming lengths from 1/8 to 1/2 include stubble, 1/16, medium, 1/8, and full guard, 3/16, in addition to a 6-position guide, 1/16 to 1/2. Groomsman is a battery-operated beard trimmer that uses 2 AA batteries, included, for operation, and features a contoured ergonomic handle with soft grip pads. Number 2. Braun Multi-Grooming Kit MGK 3980. 9-in-1 face, hair, and body trimming. The Braun Multi-Grooming Kit MGK 3980 is the ultimate 9-in-1 head-to-toe trimmer. Its attachments will enable you to achieve 9 styling jobs with precision. Stubble, short, medium, and long beards, hair clipping, contouring, clean shaving, body grooming, and ear and nose trimming. Its durable design features lifetime-lasting power and blades for precision trimming without performance loss over time. One charge provides 60 minutes of precision trimming with no performance loss. This pack also includes a free Gillette Fusion Pro Glide razor with FlexBall technology to edge your beard contours or achieve a clean-shaven style. Achieve any beard style with 4 precision combs for stubble, short, medium, or long beards. Adjust the length from 0.5 to 21 mm for any desired haircut. Safely maintain all areas of your body from your chest to abs to your underarms and groin area. Plus, remove ear and nose hair effectively without painfully tugging. Number 3. Wahl Color Pro Cordless Rechargeable Hair Clipper and Trimmer Model 9649. The Wahl Color Pro Cordless Clipper Kit features color-coded combs that make it quick and easy to find the right comb size. The convenient color code guide on the clipper helps make it easy to identify the right size and comb color in seconds. Finding and remembering everyone's favorite hair length is easier than ever. Corresponding the correct comb to the right cutting length is simple with our easy-to-see attachment guards. With a variety of cutting lengths, adjusting the trim length is pain-free. Quickly reference the color key on the face of the clipper and attach the corresponding colored clipper comb attachment. The clipper powerful, long-lasting rechargeable battery with a run time of up to 60 minutes. Clipper can be used with or without a cord for ultimate convenience. Includes a self-sharpening stainless steel blade with outstanding cutting performance. The stainless steel blade can also easily be removed for easy cleaning. Color Pro Cordless is rechargeable and wireless. Cordless allows you to use the clipper on the battery or when it's charging. Since our blades are removable and rinseable, they are easy to clean. Simply run them under water to wash away excess clippings and trimmings. The Color Pro Cordless color-coded hair cutting kit includes the clipper with blade guard, a complete set of color-coded attachment guards, haircutting accessories, and full color instructions with step-by-step guidance for an easy goof-proof at-home haircut. A premium hard storage case is also included for added convenience. Worldwide voltage, 110-240 V, for universal use at home or internationally. The product in the packaging may not be the same as in the photo due to continuous improvements to the product. Note: we test our clippers for cutting performance before packaging with hygienic fiber. We do our best to clean the product to remove any testing particles, but a few may remain. They are not hair and can be simply wiped off. Number 4. Philips Norelco OneBlade First Shave Teen Hybrid Electric Shaver, QP251549. Recommended uses for product: beard, face color. Blue brand. Philips Norelco unique OneBlade technology delivers a fast, clean shave for first-time shavers. Coated blade reduces razor burn and rounded tips protect your skin from nicks and cuts. Use wet or dry, with or without foam, even in the shower. Blade lasts up to 4 months for best shaving experience. Based on 2 full shaves per week. Actual results may vary. The Philips Norelco OneBlade First Shave Teen Shaver uses a revolutionary cutter to power through any length of hair. 200 cutting movements per second give you a fast, clean shave. A protective plate on top of the cutter and rounded tips instead of pointed ones make the blade glide smoothly, which is how OneBlade helps to protect skin from nicks and cuts. Plus, we added a layer of micro glass beads to dial down friction while you shave and help reduce razor burn. Number 5. Man Spot Groin Hair Trimmer for Men, Electric Ball Trimmer. Unlock your true potential. Anti-cut blade and high-power motor make trimming more effective. If you're planning to show off your goods or keep trim and fresh down there, Man Spot Trimmer is the choice that will help you get the job done sound and quick without any hassle. Special care from Man Spot. Soft ceramic blades featuring advanced technology perform well when it comes to groin hair, the armpit area, and legs. All testers agreed that it worked wonders at providing a close shave and a detailed finish, with no one getting any pulling or cutting. Powerful and rechargeable. Body hair is likely a little bit thicker than your facial fuzz. This pubic hair trimmer for men comes with a powerful 6,000 RPM razor, 90 minutes of shaving after fully charged, and is a must-have for any bathroom cupboard. Waterproof. It's easier to trim in the shower as the water washes away your trimmings, making it easier to cut back hair, chest hair, pubic hair. It's ideal to get one that can survive a splash. It also comes with 4x adjustable guide combs, 1.5mm, 3mm, 3 to 6mm, 9 to 12mm to give you full choices of your style and comfort. Trim your body with confidence. Men deserve to tend to their own bodily gardens, get their own equipment to save their blushes, and make themselves look presentable as possible. Our body trimmer for men comes with a quick start guide. Pull your skin tight and cut slowly and steadily when you trim the sensitive area. Make sure to change your blades regularly to keep them sharp, clean, and rust-free. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find product links.